Good day everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you will learn the different types of puppets. For our learning objectives, tell the puppet. Identify the different types of puppets. Make a puppet using any kinds of materials. Puppetry is a form of performance or show where puppets are used to act out a story. A puppet is a figure controlled by a person called puppeteer. Puppets can take the form of humans, animals, plants or objects. They can also be abstract in form. In the Philippines, puppetry started in the late 19th century. Now let's discuss the different types of puppets. Finger puppet. It is a miniature puppet that fits the finger of puppeteer, who makes the puppet move using his or her finger. And here is the example of finger puppet. Next we have hand puppet. It is worn like a glove. Some puppeteers use their index finger as the neck while the middle and thumb fingers control the hands of the puppet. You can use socks, paper bags, or gloves as hand puppets. And here is the example of hand puppet. Next types is stick puppet. It is commonly made of cardboard and sticks. The sticks support the puppet, with one supporting the body of the puppet and two other sticks supporting the hands. You can manipulate this puppet by moving the sticks. And here is the example of stick puppet. Next we have rod puppet. It uses rods that control the movements of the puppet's head, arms and feet. A rod puppet may also be attached to a base that can glide on rails below the stage. The limbs of the puppets may be controlled through strings attached to pedals. And here is the example of stick puppet. Next we have here string puppet. It hangs on strings and is manipulated using the same strings, also known as marionette. The string puppet is one of the most difficult types of puppet to control or move effectively. The puppet may look like a doll with strings attached to its body. And here is the example of stick puppet. Next type we have here shadow puppet. Basically a rod and stick puppet. A shadow puppet appears two-dimensional. It casts a shadows when the puppeteer manipulates it between the screen and a light source. And here is the example of stick puppet. Did you understand the lesson? Thank you for watching in this video. I hope you learned something my video. For more educational videos, feel free to like, share and subscribe.